On my channel 4 days ago I told you how you can easily earn $4,000. So I told you about this game and I told you invest here only $5. And after 3 days, as you can see, I earned $9. And as you can see, I already withdrawed them on my wallet. If you didn't watch this video, just check it here. So as I told you on previous video, now I can invest $5 and also I can invest $10. And after only 3 days I will earn $8 and of course I will be able invest again, and after 2 more days I will earn $15, then I will be able invest also here. And this is very good way to earn money, because on the previous video we calculated how long this game will work. So now I need invest on this game $15. Just click here deposit and write here $15. Then we choose USDT and click deposit. After that we need to copy this address, so we need to open our USDT and withdraw them exactly on this address. Also we need to send money exactly like here. And guys, after 15 minutes, as you can see, I already have money on my wallet. I just go down and start this program. After that I just click yes. Then as you can see, my deposit was successful. Also here you can check that yesterday I withdrew $9. Then we again go down and start this project. So as you can see, now I need to wait 5 days and after that I will earn $25. Then I will be able buy next packet for $25. And like that I will start earn more and more. But I don't recommend you invest more than $50. Better every 7 days earn $40, $15 and $7. Okay guys, the link on this game will be under this video. Also watch previous video about this game and subscribe on my channel.